Senator Manny Pacquiao has been elected as chair of the Philippine Army Multi-Sector Advisory Governance Committee. Voted as vice chair is Davao de Oro Governor Jayvee Tyron Uy. In his message, the senator vowed to be of service to the army troops and to the Filipinos. Uy, on the other hand, expressed commitment to lend his broad experience in local governance. Former Maguindanao Representative Dong Manguda Datu also forms part of the governance board. Muntinlupa City Representative Ruby Biason is also part of it.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.